Most people will never know the exact moment their life slipped out of their hands. It doesn't happen with sirens or headlines, it happens quietly, in the ordinary. In the soft hum of alarm clocks that get snoozed again and again. In the goals written on New Year's Eve and forgotten by spring. In the slow erosion of belief, when dreams are replaced by routines, and purpose is buried beneath comfort. One man didn't lose everything in a day. He lost it in fragments, through tiny compromises, through the silence of postponed ambition. One morning, he opened his eyes in the darkness, stared at the ceiling, and asked, "What if I don't change now?" His name was Jason. He wasn't rich. He wasn't famous. In fact, he lived a fairly average life. He worked in a mid-level office job, had a small apartment in the city, and spent his weekends binge-watching TV shows or scrolling through social media. But deep down, he knew he wasn't truly living. Every day felt the same. He had lost the drive to do more than what was required. He had lost his sense of passion, his fire. One night, after another day spent in a haze, Jason realized, if I don't change now, I never will. It was in the quiet of that night that Jason made a decision, an unspoken promise to himself. As the world outside grew silent and the city fell into sleep, Jason set his alarm for 4 a.m. Not because he wanted to be more productive, but because it was hard, and it would hurt. The next morning, everything inside him screamed to stay in bed. But he remembered his promise. With great effort, he stood up in the darkness. That first morning wasn't graceful, but he showed up. He went outside and ran. It wasn't pretty, but he felt the weight of the past begin to lift. For the first time in a long time, he felt alive. There was power in doing something discomforting. Jason found purpose again. His body began to change and his mind grew clearer. He no longer felt like a passenger in his own life. He realized transformation happens in small, quiet moments when no one is watching. He began to notice his relationships improved, and people asked him about his changes. There was no secret, only consistency, and the daily commitment to show up and do the work. Discipline doesn't care about how you feel, it only responds to what you do. Jason transformed not through dramatic changes, but through small, daily decisions. Now, when Jason wakes up at 4 a.m., it's a reminder of all his choices made in the quiet hours. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. And that bridge? It's built in the dark, when no one sees your progress.